for your Wi-Fi name and enter it. Note: the phone needs to be connected to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and make sure the Wi-Fi signal is smooth. Click to open the downloaded Inspirus app. Click to add manually. Select Laser Master H20. Enter your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Tap the power on button 5 times in a row. See the indicator light keep blinking and making a ticking sound. Click Next step. Wait a few moments for the connection process. Successful connection. The page automatically jumps to the home page. When the camera logo turns colored, you can start using the visual positioning function. Successful connection. The page automatically jumps to the home page. Laser module selection LB410 at 10 watts. Click on Text to enter text, the same way as for engraved images. Click Next. Engraving platforms are set up differently depending on their location. 1. If the engraving platform is placed in the lowest position, open the cover and push the X-axis and laser module to the upper left corner. Place the vision positioning plate on the machine. You need to align the four corners to the position marked by the bottom engraving platform. Press the basis lowering button to minimize the engraving platform. Click the camera button below. Select engraving platform set at lowest position. 2. If the engraving platform is placed in the highest position, press the right button on the base to raise the engraving platform to its highest position. Click on the Switch Engraving Table Position button. Select engraving platform set at highest position. 3. If there is no base when the engraving platform is placed fixed, open the cover and push the X-axis and laser module to the upper left corner. Place the visual positioning plate on the machine. You need to align the four corners to the position marked by the engraving table. Select the engraving platform in fixed position button. The following is an example of how to start lens calibration with the engraving stage in the lowest position. Select engraving platform in lowest position. Click on Start Calibration. Calibration complete. Open the cover to remove the visual positioning plate. Measure the height of the engraved object and place it in the machine. Required for use behind the height of engraved items. Pull down the focusing bar to adjust the focus of the laser module. The focusing bar just touching the engraved object is the optimal engraving focal length. Push the X-axis and laser module to the upper left corner again. Click on Reacquire. Adjust the low and high thresholds to expose 4 points of the base plate. A minimum of 3 points must be exposed. Enter the height of the carving measured earlier. Click Confirm. Place the text or pattern in the desired engraving position and adjust the size. Click the Start button. Click on Check. Select Start at preview layout position. Click on Start. Click on Run to start the engraving.